Oh man,
Here we are today.
Had some classic rock going on here.
Oh yeah.
Need to get that going.
Well, that was the love sign, not the rock sign.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Tipsy Recruiter. I'm Lexi, a recruiter here at 𝗟𝗲𝘅 MedStaff.
And I'm Natasha, a recruiter here at 𝗟𝗲𝘅 as well. And today we're making tequila sunrises.
Woohoo! So tequila sunrise.
Yep.
Where did this come from?
So this actually originated in, well, the original recipe was from Phoenix, Arizona in 1930s.
I mean, that makes sense.
Yes. But then a more modern version started in the 1970s at a bar called the Trident, which it was just like north of San Francisco.
Help me out. How much tequila?
1.5 ounces of tequila. And so two young bartenders made this drink.
I imagine this is how a sunrise looks in Phoenix.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And then the drink became popular because in 1972, Sprite, there we go.
We're gonna make it virgin. To
Little
be
mocktail.
fair, I actually do drink a concoction similar to this at home quite a bit, so.
There we go. So,
oh man, this is complicated, guys.
yeah, so tough.
Let me shake up that
OJ. Oh yeah, I didn't shake it. I think it's a little pulp. 3/4 cup, but we just eyeball it.
There we go, folks.
Perfect.
And
then
the cherry on top of the drink, or the grenadine on top of the drink.
And they say 3/4 ounce, so but you can just kind of guess too. Yeah, in 1972, the Trident hosted a private party for a band called the Rolling Stones.
Oh.
And so
Fun fact.
Yeah, Mick Jagger had the drink, loved it, and then that's how it became famous because they named one of their tours after it, and then the Eagles made a song out of it.
So essentially, Mick Jagger made the tequila songs.
Made it famous.
And then the Eagles jumped on that,
and then
oh man,
here we are today.
Had some classic rock going on here.
Oh yeah.
Need to get that going.
Well, that was the love sign, not the rock sign. Rock on in love.
Easy drink that you can make virgin or with alcohol. Share it with friends. Go order one at the bar, whatever you want to do. But either way, watch out. They're sneaky little folks.
Look how pretty it is.
So pretty.
Oh, there we go. They look the same too.
You would never guess. Oh shoot, but you would never guess.
Yeah. I'll keep mine in my hand.
All right, guys. Well, thanks for joining us today. And once again, if you have any drink ideas, shoot them our way, and we'll be happy to make them. And you guys take care.
Cheers. Clink. Oh. That's delicious.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
Did it again.
Oh.